All right, our lesson, we're going to drag and drop the word that correctly labels the specific part of the expression. So we're going to do this one together. So what this whole part is called is a term. So this is a term. This right here, the one that's only the number is called the constant. The one that's only the number is called the constant. This number before the letter is called the coefficient. The coefficient. And then this letter, we learned about this in the beginning of the year. That's a variable. Same thing with this. This letter over here is also a variable. Awesome. So make sure you guys have those ones labeled. We have the term. The constant is with the number by itself. Variables are letters. And our coefficient is the number right in front of the letter. All right, let's do a little practice with it. So the coefficient is going to be the number right in front of the letter. The number here is going to be 9. The number right in front of the letter is going to be -3. And then 3/4. So all of those are the numbers right in front of the letters. Now, we're going to determine the number of terms in each expression. So a term is separated by a symbol. So a term, let's see, we have one term, separated, 2 terms. So we have 2 terms here. This one, we have 1 term, 2 terms, 3 terms. Next, identify the variable. So the variable is the letter. In the first one, it's that N. The second one is a D. And the third one is an R. N-D-R. All right, now the constant. The constant is going to be the number all by itself. So the constant here is going to be 17. And then our constant here is going to be -12 and 3. -12 and 3. That's going to be it for our lesson part. Great job.